Easy work today, boys. Got the setup. This is the culprit. Decided to break off of its metal because of some really shitty welds here. Didn't even burn in, which made this side fucked up. Thank God for come-alongs. So I'm just gonna that right back into place after I obviously probably wash out these welds with the torch. I'm not gonna sit here and grind this shit all day. Beat that plate back in. I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't know why it's there. I guess it's sticking or some shit. So after tacking it up and looking at the geometry, it's not going to work. Owner came down, take a look, gave me the okay to rip out and repair. So it's been gouging the weld out with the torch, you know, the nice little sluggos and and wedges. You know, I want to save this parent material and I'm going to reuse this thing. It's not really bent, it's just hodgepodge together. So, you know, just all the little weld lines. There's a ton of bullshit welding here, so looks like we're doing all right so far. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how the pyramids were built. Some leverage, chilling out, working easy, slow. Got the wedge in there. Weld's almost pretty much gone, except for that bullshit gunked up in the corner, but I'm sure we can rip it out. Look at that. Parent metal completely intact for the most part here. See all the porosity in that weld and shit, man, from those guys. Probably they welded all this shit. Didn't burn into nothing, dude. There's just a glob of weld. All that porosity. I can't.